Good morning to all the class 9 students. So in the last class I have gave you some PowerPoint presentation to make a note, right? And I also gave you some few questions. So in this class we are going to start with a new topic, and that is the population growth. So population growth, first point is population growth is a dynamic phenomenon, right? So the dynamic here means it is a vast concept. That population growth like the factor chilarang raligi or velana raligi mares the catchable huge phenomena here means is a process, right? Is a huge process which include birth rate, death rate, migration, and everything, due to which the population growth happened, right? Ani khajingana samsam mangke mangthani yo ta kala population growth yung yore samsam yang shie yung thwe kengi yang keji ke de bola yang population growth yung yore ra yang samsam khachu bola na midin zu pha zo migrate chi che yang sa chi gi nang lo ya mi bo mang do jo chor ba tu sine khanda population growth ra ma zo gi ani kimje na ne re ra ani nenga mang bu ji la ya thu de res ra. So the topic itself is a population growth, right? For that, what we have to learn is what is meant by a population growth. So population growth refers to the change in the number of inhabitants. Inhabitants means a person who is living in that particular place, right? Inhabitants of country or territory. Country, you know that, right? Territory means is a place during a specific period of time. Specific period of time means, for example, during the last 10 years, ra lo chu di nanglo la ya ani saja te toda de la lungba di nanglo la ya member khaze gi mang do tosha la jarwa member gi gro do yo marwe change in the number of inhabitants saja di nanglo la mi khaze mang do to khaze nyung do to okay tende chi gi nanglo la ya ngon gi population growth lan la years. So the population growth thing ngon gi ra ta ma kalora express chidang ma shedang ra lapswe mandangi gi ton pchidang gor. So thangpo de kharlana in terms of absolute number ra niba dela in terms of percentage change per year lo la ya ani percentage kaja khazu gi mang to to la charwa ti ga la shi chene onjo shegyor. The thangpo de khandala so onjo gi population growth la di growth ta ding onjo absolute number la tengor la so. So absolute number is calculated by subtracting the earlier population. Ngoma mi khazo do thanda mi khazo do okay ani ta nidong chu lo la ya mi khazo do ta nidong nishu le sare mi khazo sha. So we have to subtract that minus ta nidong nishu ni nidong chu minus ta, and the remaining number will be considered as the absolute number. Mi member digas chik ani mang do tosha la jarwa on the thing here, okay. So number niba dikharlana in terms of percentage laswa. So the percentage la ya di ni ngonjo gi ming shinda chile ya annual growth rate la ne ngonjin chigor. So the percentage kitna jarwa on di kharlana mi thanga kyap to ka so 1,000% ra 1,000 persons per annum la ne ngonjo gi thanga kyap gyor, okay. So there are few table given in your textbook, you can refer that howswa. So table 6.1 jito, this table is taken out from your textbook itself, right? So the table number 6.1 ginanglo lata wayina. See, year 1951 nanglo la ya total population dikangza khatte in million na tendwa. So there are 361 million people, right, or the population in 1951, and the absolute increase the kazu chashalana onzo ki tingo gi million chirwa odina minus tar, okay. 1951 adiga sata 1941 la kazu re odi minus tan che. So the remaining percent or the number is 42.43 koso sa, and then do wala 42.43 data number rang la tyo million kora mi thang kazu yore hondi kan la tyo do hondi che, and percentage do. So number kana shebaina 42.43 million chiki khachir lana mang the tour. Tadi number the percentage lama convert chine she and do so chiktong kupkyang up chunga je ki so in the year 1951, right, 1.25% of the population had taken growth, right, tigas chiki mi mang the tour tengyur. Okay, now under the same topic, population growth korang ginang lo la yang onse ki khang la la in the introductory part, so population growth is a dynamic phenomena, so the dynamic phenomena condition chago la in which birth rate, death rate, migration all are being taught, so due to all these three factors, the population growth matters. So process of population changes condition giro to na there are three main process of change in population or the change of population, birth rate means number of live birth per 1,000 person in a year. Lo chi ki nanglo la mi chiktong di ki nanglo la ya mi khazus ki ta sawa ki do chwa. Life means symbol on the lago mashi mi je de lago marta. Okay, life here means mi choshu yo. Okay, now the death rate la na a number of death per 1,000 person in a year dira. Mi chikdong ki cheshi ki nanglo la ya kunzu ki lo re la mi khazu shi ro do sra. And the migration la na sacha shenda la do, right? It's a movement of people across regions or territory. Sacha pat kor lungba shemba la do wa. Yang na sacha like Dharamsala ne Orissa la do wa do yarwa. Orissa ne Nkha la do re. Tigiling la do wa. Ta do shin territory la ra. Tende shi chongor. So the migration can be internal or external la so. The internal lana kharchu gore kyaga khorangi nanglo la ya phazu rurwa la hanang ye khala so Orissa ne Digiling la do ya Orissa ne Delhi la pe ya ra in external la do gala ta lungba gore pat yu che lungba shemba la do ya ra tenzo rik di external nanglo la chugiyor. All right, the birth rate dida kiran ja thangma ha go so number of live birth la so ta di mi mangbu chi kyaga gi nanglo la. Right now we are mainly talking about a country India, okay, so don't get confused. So kyaga gi nanglo la ya ani birth rate di ani mangbu shu ji chan to kala it automatically affects the population change. When the day into kala factor la the process means sum di gi nanglo la birth rate matters the most in the population change. All right, so the birth rate di khajana na thidu chula pe misi pe mangbu chan to kala ni kyaga gi nanglo ya population growth hale mangbu cha res ra. The death rate actually death rate la do kala nganzu ki ta mishi do kala nganzu ki it consider kind of a minus na zero nyong do to zero ina ya population growth ki nanglo la death rate the matters khande chigo re la na ta mi shi ye de khale kya ga ki nanglo la ya mama na shi ma imba khale nyong do to yores ra. Now why the death rate decreases ra khare nyong do to la na due to the upliftment in the technology, in the facility, in the lifestyle of the people. Midinzagi nedang yarga draw midinzagi ta ninji hospitality yak hospitality ta madda hospital treatment in the conchimbu yena yanda khanda thunge in the yak to draw ani government in the geti namlo ya scheme mangbulu ta tende chitu gala kyaga gi namlo la ya shiye gi rate jorwa death rate khale new to due to the decline in the death rate, right? Again India have a huge growth in the population chagires. Okay, the khale chine kyaga gi nanglo la birth rate de khachar la also start declining ra ni birth rate de khale ta mama mangbu shujur la sa birth rate de khale nyong to to ko zures ra ani birth rate nyong to to ken ki ani population de mama nang singi growth jerba shuk chambu shuji chagor verana chagiyo mare ra kharchin chagiyo marlana. The reason behind the decline in the birth rate di ani Quran ki kyaga ki nanglo la ya family planning ya kuch khojor. Earlier when there is a non-stop birth rate ra non-stop birth yedu kapso at that time the Indian people does not have the idea or the knowledge about the family planning gala ya kunzo la khodo de ke yor velana yomare. That is why the uneducated people are the most section of the Indian lana uneducated chawra unemployed chawra tenzo ring tenzo ki pu mangbu shu ji ta yang because kya ga nang la mimbo pension bu shu mang do ra tu la that she so an changma la lobjong ra ko ra even if they are uneducated ra they are being advised by the government, they are going rules and regulation made by the government. They take switch birth rate they khale nyung do ko res. Now the birth rate the nyung do regulation khare sure. The first thing is family planning ra family planning now like kya ga na love se khar lena hum do hamare do language ra hum do include father and mother, right? हमारे दो means a two child or the two children there is two cheta and kunsu ki family planning gaji ani chidandi yarge to sonza ani khajirela na India hagi namala member halave mambo shushu chaya mar but still India comes under the second largest in terms of population reda thadeya okay this so let's talk about the third main process of the change of population, that is migration the migration thing also get the gang ngi de sikya sa ba suggestion right, and that can be internal as well as external, also you can internal or international so internal la jwa nangyu la ya mane be che digi lungba digaji mimbo la ya kheba ke tu ma des ra khala saja kya rang kora na lo kora kya de ro ina yang saja chikaji mimbo kazu to le jra digala yang kheba suigres all right hauswa so migration la dibe ngajo ki kharla na population change ki nang la yang kala factor guge kechombo chik chagyor ta kya ki nang la in India, right, most migration have been from rural to urban area kya ki nang la mi nebechiya mangche je thongse ne chine thongge la to yo restra gyasa dentela kharishin dogor la na because of the push factors in rural area push factor le de khala khogor la na kya kalore thongse ki nang la ne dang degas ki yabu me wekenge da lega gi khogob yabu me wa ra ani da kalore khale ve da poverty gi ne da kyo shu shu de kala ani thongge la to ke ani thongge la lega chi do ke hora de de kala ni kya kalore thongse ne push chu ta bige dang ta to ke yosra ani cho phajo de la ya gesa cho ne khar chawor la na pul chu ta thongge de de ya sora ma bu chu du gala ani mi kyo de thongse de rang sing ge chu yung do wa right so thongse ne khar chi so push chi so and thongge ne khar chi so due to the improvement in the infrastructure chage the thingge the ma bu shu ji yar ge to ge it gives a opportunity koga ma bu shu sting dor mela lega ga and then the bala mi chama and rural area ne push chache and city ki khachore pull chi ra so this is a push and pull gaji and ma chu ki khala situation ro cha de that is why migration gi nang lo la internal khorang ke je bagina internal la ne re ta khanda yeah most of the time internal ra thongse ne rural area ne urban area la to gi re the rural area ne urban area to khala actually, right, rural the urban khari ke jese na kya ga rangwa the population does not matter size the rangja dige kese de longba de la ta kya ga longba ge nang la bum gya mangbol mi yo gi na bum gya de bum gya rang dige hina yang kese ngjo gi rural the urban khoran loga ke jese tu ga so the urban nang la member mang da to so right now there is a change in the population pattern or the population distribution member ko se ke ta da member ne dang di ta urban la mang do ya ta rural la nyong do ya de chagre ma si lungba chi yon ne ke che de gopso ani diki population la ke kyo tang gre vela na tang gi mar bum gya yo de bum gya rang ja ni girwa ta sa cha ga le re ke che en du kala a member ge thang je di ani ke ba du re la di on dos cha ya tirin gi ta chen di ta sa wa che ro le di kran so kang gi phom bo bo mi de che de sa ma ta shi de ro slide rang re and thiwa shi de chawa lana thiwa shi de kiran zollo thiwa shi de ra ani thiwa shi de kiran zollo ni de shi ke de na it is a time to refer the internet okay ani kiran zo have one exam are get it to the pure modern refer internet refer give a fair exam now this is the right time to that is another condition or that another situation so the thiwa khalana Rajasthan this the kya gi ngati ki nangla ne ra area gi thola she tu ga so cheshe chagi resra ina ya when we come to the population which exists in Rajasthan, which is only 5.5% Mashiya Mare, you have to find the answer. Which state have density below 100% per square kilometer? Kilometer square chikinanglo ya mi gyale nyunga gyogyo ki state karikar resha. You have to find by referring the textbook. In India, third question, most migration has been from rural to urban. I told you, right? Rural and urban la togyore kharchin togyore nigi lagyo ditana tigire you can refer textbook also since 1981 birth rates have also started declining gradually 1981 neta endukala birth rate de khale ma nyung do ko resra and resulting in a gradual decline in the rate of population growth The birth rate in nyong du dwe kengi population growth de khari shela na khali khali chini nyong du dwe ko zu re sap. What are the reason for this trend? Di chong over kimzen khari res. Okay, now I explained all the questions for you. Most of the answers are available in the textbook, right? And if it is not available, then you can refer internet, and don't do a shortcut work by directly referring to the internet.